Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around looking for an F350 Super Duty. This might be it. This is the 2011. Stock number is T199588. And this is a virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This does have the FX4 off-road package, of course. Making our way around, does have tow package, rear slider, power, bed liner, perfect for towing, low miles. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Does have the backup rear camera, bed liner, Bluetooth capable, Carfax clean history report included. Look at all that ample leg room in the rear. And we're going to put you up here in the front compartment. As you can tell, easy access, controls, moonroof, super clean truck, leather, loaded. This truck will not last long. For more information, either give us a call, text us, email us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business. What a clean truck. You know she's not going to last long. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.